Frank with Blackstone Group Leasing and Management. We're here at 1175 Newport Avenue, Unit 2F, Pawtucket, Rhode Island. Second floor, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom apartment for rent. Starting our video tour right when you walk in. Living room area here. Plenty of natural light coming in through the windows. High ceilings. Carpet. Very spacious. Private stairwell entry. Big kitchen area here. We have room for a small table. Countertop space, cabinet space, gorgeous backsplash, electric stove, refrigerator. Make our way to our right. Bedroom here. Big enough for a queen set. Got your own walk-in closet. Other side of the kitchen, bathroom, shower, tub, and vanity. I'd like to apply for 1175 Newport Avenue, Unit 2F, Pawtucket. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult would want to fill out the application. It's Frank with Blackstone Group Leasing and Management. Thank you and have a great day.